Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, just allow any feelings of tension around your neck and your shoulders to feel like it's being released and is leaving your body in the very next outward breath. As you breathe in, just imagine breathing in healing, relaxing, white light. Feel it going in through your nose, into your lungs, and just imagine your body is distributing that healing, relaxing white light to whichever parts of your body need it the most. Feel that wonderful feeling of ever-increasing relaxation. And allow anything you've been holding on to, as you breathe out, to feel it leaving your body. That may be tension, frustrations, niggling thoughts, and worries. Feel it leaving your body like you're breathing out a flume of smoke. As you breathe in and breathe out, notice that when you focus on the outward breath, you can just extend that outward breath. Find that rhythm and extend the outward breath. And feel that with each outward breath, it's carrying away the stresses of the day. I want you to use the power of your imagination to imagine now that you are in a safe, peaceful place. And maybe it's a place of vacation, like a beach, or maybe a place in nature, like a forest. But imagine that place with soft sunlight, blue skies and sunshine, but not harsh, hot sun. Warm, relaxing sun. So whether you're on a beach or in a forest, or just imagine you're in a cozy room, feel completely at ease. And sometimes your mind will switch. Different places in nature, different places of relaxation. But wherever you are, notice just how comfortable and supported you feel here. The air around you is calm and soothing, and every breath you take invites this healing relaxation into your body. Take another deep breath in, and on the exhale, just imagine you're letting go of tension, stress, and perhaps something that no longer serves you. As you breathe in calm, strength, and exactly the resources you need. There's no need to force or control the breath. Simply allow it to flow naturally, long and slow. But But now focus on your outward breath. Just imagine it stretching longer and longer, as though the air itself is sweeping through your body, gathering up any tension or unwanted feelings and carrying them far away. Each exhale leaves you feeling lighter and more at ease. But after the exhale, there's a vacuum in your lungs. So just allow on the inward breath that slow, natural inhale. Feel that you're breathing in exactly what you need. Perhaps peace, calm, maybe balance. Whatever is the antidote to feeling alert, on edge, hypervigilant, just feel the opposite is what you're breathing in. And feel how this new energy nourishes you. Just like a gentle wave washing over you, refreshing every part of your body and mind. Any emotions that arise now are simply passing through, temporary and fleeting, because you can observe them without judgment, letting them drift away on each outward breath. And perhaps you could imagine a candle 6 feet, 2 meters in front. And as you breathe out, just imagine breathing out to either blow out or make the candle flicker. Maybe that outward breath feels like there's nothing left in your body, and yet you can still find more. And maybe as you practice this, it feels though you're training your body and mind to just let go, resetting your nervous system with every breath. I want you to get a sense that these breaths are like resetting your nervous system. But for now, picture yourself perhaps engaging in a relaxing activity. Maybe it's listening to a certain genre of music, or maybe a guided meditation. But what if this time becomes practice for your breathing? Practicing those long, slow, outward breaths, followed by steady, inward breaths. Each one easing you deeper into relaxation. As you breathe out, before breathing in, hold it for a while. And when you breathe in completely, hold it for a while before you exhale. And before long, you'll find that this kind of breathing becomes automatic. It comes naturally to you. It feels effortless, a gift you give to yourself. Particularly when you imagine breathing out anything that isn't serving you. A heavy emotion, a thought, a feeling, anything that is bothering you. And you'll notice how each exhale then diffuses any lingering tension or stress. Just like the vapor that you might see from a kettle dissolving into the air. Even in moments of stress or overwhelm, you remember that you are always just 7 breaths away from calm. Because each time you take those 7 long outward breaths, you'll feel a shift within you, as though you are stepping into a more resourceful and composed version of yourself. Sometimes people hold on to stress like a pressure cooker, but if 7 breaths is the release valve, everything becomes more manageable. Stress becomes smaller, and you find that you can let go of emotions linked to challenging memories or thoughts. With each exhale, you release these emotions, and with each inhale, you draw in resilience, strength, and calm. As you breathe in and breathe out, I want you to imagine now a moment, perhaps even a recent one, that felt stressful or overwhelming. To begin with, see it as if it's from a distance, with a new sense of calm, like you're observing it. And you begin to breathe deeply and slowly. Notice that it's easier to process that memory as an observer. And every outward breath, each exhale, releases the intensity of that moment. And with every breath, you feel calmer, stronger, and more composed. But then rewind it, step into that memory, feel you're back in the memory, allow any emotions to feel them within you, but then exhale them in that long outward breath and feel calmer. I want you to get a sense that if you can feel calm in reliving a stressful moment, that it's like training at altitude. Because if you can stay calm and resourceful in stressful situations, imagine just how relaxed and in control you will feel in everyday life. Because you are building resilience, training your mind and body to diffuse triggers and remain calm no matter what comes your way. And the more you practice, the stronger this ability becomes. From now on, anytime you feel stressed, anxious, or on edge, you will remember that you are just 7 long breaths away from feeling calmer and more resourceful. As you take those breaths, imagining that candle 2 meters in front, long outward breaths, you will feel the shift, a wave of relaxation washing over you, bringing clarity and balance. And as you continue to breathe deeply and calmly, take a moment to notice already how more refreshed and at ease you feel. You have everything you need to reset your nervous system. Like Control, Alt, Delete, or a reboot, to reset your nervous system, to find calm in any situation, and to handle life's challenges with a newfound feeling of resilience. It's time to return to the present, realizing that this has been a journey in your imagination, a journey of ideas within ideas, thoughts within thoughts, and dreams within dreams. But as we return back to the here and now, to reality, let's take those resilient, resourceful, wonderful feelings of relaxation with you. So take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your nose. Just wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes as I now count from 1 to 10 to awaken you. Starting to count. 1, 2, 3, waking up. 4, 5, 6, more alert. 7, 8, open your eyes, open your eyes. 9, 10, wide awake, wide awake, wide awake.